Privyet everybody, this is Jonathan, and today I'll be showing you guys how to use the contact application in Helen OS. So it's very basic to use. So let's get started right now. So I'm going to click onto Navigator, go into the applications, use the keyboard, contacts, press on the enter key, and now as you guys can see, we should see the options to select action. We've got one action, which is at number 1, so when type down 1, it should be able to allow you to create a new contact. 2 will allow you to delete a contact, and 3 is to allow it to exit. So for example, if I press 1, then now I can enter a new contact name, so I can call this one Jonathan Stedman. I'll press on the enter key, and that's about it really. You guys can also go to 2 and we can delete which one we want. So for example, I would delete Harry Potter. Now if we click onto 2 again, as you guys can see, there's only Jonathan in the actual software. Now press onto 2 again to cancel. You guys can do that, and you guys can create another contact, and we can call this one Jilly Bow. Press on the enter key, press onto V, press any key on the button. Okay, so now if I click onto 2, I think I've exited by pressing onto 3, but that's not a problem. And so as you guys can see, we have Jonathan Stedman, we have Julie Bow, we have cancel. We click onto 3 to cancel. I'll go back to create another contact. I'll call this one Page, and I'll call this one Page Hello. Press on the enter key. Now you guys can click onto 2, and now as you guys can see, we have got Jonathan Stedman, we've got Julie Bow, and we've got Page Hello. But I want to delete the one that says Julie Bow. So press onto 2. Now if we go back to delete contact, as now as you guys can see, we only have Jonathan Stedman and Page Hello. Now press onto 3 again to cancel, and press onto 3 to exit, and that should exit the program. So it's very basic. One thing I would like to say is that we should be able to enter your email, maybe a phone number if that person has a phone number, or their business number, for example, or maybe we can add a little bit more details to actually be able to contact that person, because just telling them for their name is not going to be as useful as being able to have data, for example, having their phone number or their email address. I think that's very important to have this inside of our contacts, especially their phone number. Otherwise, you may forget their phone number. But it's actually a great starting point, in my honest opinion. But I think there needs to be more work. It needs to be done towards contacts, because all I can do is enter the name, delete their name, and yeah, that's basically it. That's all I do. So just creating a list of names. But for this program, I wanted to also be able to save what their phone number is and what their email is, as well as the name, and that's completed software, because all that people want to know is how would they be able to contact them, what their email address is, and their phone number. This is what they do with the contacts application. So it does need more work, but it has a very nice user interface. It is done inside of a terminal, but it's very easy to use within the terminal anyway. It doesn't have all this fancy graphics, it's only text, which is what just makes this operating system great. It's very minimal, there's not really much bloatware on it. You guys just have applications that you guys probably want to have, and the applications will just work quickly without having to click onto thousands of buttons to get the task done. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.